to look and see all this, the change. Wow, San Antonio, you guys
You've
have
done
changed.
good.
Yeah, you've done real good since we left. It's like we should just leave all cities and see how they they progress when we leave.
San Antonio is not only our old city, but a city that will charm you with its history, its culture, and its food. Maria and I have been wanting to show you around, and we're going to start with one of our favorites, the Pearl Brewery District.
Oh my goodness, this is huge. This is like a city.
I'm just in shock at how large this has become.
Yeah. It used to be like the market area, maybe a couple of restaurants.
Yeah, like there was a bakery, right?
It was the bakery was part of the Culinary Institute, I think. And now this is like a district.
Like this is
in
huge.
10 years.
Yeah, all of it's changed. It's incredible.
It's amazing. It's beautiful, actually.
Yeah, I think that's part of the original building.
Yeah, so you see the Culinary Institute? So from that point on, it's what we used to know, and then
all this is just new.
All this is new. Holy crap!
Apologies for our overexcitement, but do make Pearl Brewery a priority in your San Antonio visit. Just look at the families and friends chilling by the lawn. You got great live music, interesting buildings, and there's also relaxing walking paths, a swanky hotel, and plenty of bars and restaurants to choose from. For now, the wife wants her margarita, so let's go find it.
So the funny thing about this place is that it's so big that we're using the GPS to be able to find places.
Yeah. So
maybe that way.
Yeah, you told me the other day you'd be coming back today, but you didn't. Oh, no.
all right. What'd you order there, babe?
I don't know. I asked for the recommended drink, and this is like a mangonada.
Oh, that's what it was?
Yeah, it has like tequila, herradura. I don't know, it sounds good. Cheers.
Yeah, cheers. That's not bad.
We're at La Gloria. We're waiting for At La Ayuda, which is kind of like a Mexican pizza.
Oh, is it right? Go for it, go for it.
Can you pick it up?
I can't pick it up.
Try it. Yo voy a ti. Is it hot?
A little bit. Here.
Just for the story. Just like that.
You gonna try it one-handed? You gonna eat like a sandwich?
Why not?
Well, no visit to San Antonio is complete without a visit to one of the historical missions.
Alright, so we're here at Misión San José, and we just Googled what missions are.
Yeah.
It's a religious outpost.
Yeah, exactly. Because if you look up mission, it's gonna tell you it's an assignment or like I forgot what the other part was.
I just think of Assassin's Creed.
What?
I don't know.
San Antonio is an area rich in Spanish colonial history, and the missions played a key role in society back in the day. The old native families would come here to learn about Christianity, civil government, as well as trades and crafts like farming and blacksmithing.
All right, so where are we going now?
Now I think we're gonna be going to Market Square.
Okay.
So a lot of Mexican items are found there, and we want to see if we can find the Mexican blanket that we wore out. So what you doing, babe?
I'm and just agua fresca.
Yeah? What flavor?
Watermelon.
Yeah, it was good. I had a sip.
Yeah.
If you're into old school markets, look no further. Market Square is the largest Mexican market in the United States. There are so many great specialty and souvenir shops and also great places to grab a bite or listen to live music.
Do you want a sausage taco on a stick?
Sounds mighty good. If I wouldn't have had like 6 tacos before.
Moving on to La Villita, a historic arts village that is perfect for an afternoon walk.
So right now we're in La Villita and they have lots of great shops and galleries. It's a great place if you're looking for souvenirs here in this area.
Yeah.
And also it connects to the Riverwalk, so it's easy if you want to try to go to different attractions like the Alamo. So
Yeah, you just walk that. And real quick fun tip or fun info fact. We're sitting at this amphitheater, or it's an outdoor theater, right? And in front of us, there's a stage called the Arneson River Theater stage.
Yeah.
And if you guys saw Miss Congeniality 2,
Yes.
there's a scene in the movie that actually takes place on that stage.
And you wouldn't have visited.
As you can see, the Riverwalk is a very popular destination. They have lots of restaurants here on the side of the river, and they have boat rides, so you can get a tour of the Riverwalk, which is awesome.
While the Riverwalk can be a bit touristy, it's still worth a visit. Our favorite spot to eat here is Boudreaux's, but we had other dinner plans. If you do go, get their signature tableside guacamole.
When you find yourself in downtown San Antonio, definitely come and see the Alamo. It's the thing to see. Well, that and the Riverwalk, but definitely come and check it out.
Oh, I almost forgot to mention, when you come here, make sure to explore the grounds around the Alamo. They're quite nice as well. For now, we hope you guys enjoyed this quick tour of this lively and colorful Texas city. We certainly had fun showing you around. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.